Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to disable media processing notifications on the X app. If you've been getting constant alerts every time the app processes media, this quick tutorial will show you how to turn them off in just a few steps. By the end, you'll enjoy a cleaner, distraction-free notification bar. Let's get started. First, go to your phone settings. This is where all of your app preferences and notification controls are located. Once you're inside, scroll down until you see the section labeled Apps. Tap on it to open the full list of apps installed on your device. Next, look for the X app in that list and tap on it. This will take you to the app's specific settings page. Here you can manage everything from storage to permissions. But what we want to focus on is the notification controls. Now tap on Notifications. This will open all the notification options for the X app, showing every category the app uses to send alerts. Since media processing notifications are placed into their own category, we'll need to dig a little deeper. From there, tap on Notification Categories. This is where you'll see a list of different types of notifications the app can send you. Each one has a separate toggle, so you can turn off the ones you don't need while keeping the ones you do. Finally, find the option labeled Media Processing. Once you spot it, simply toggle it off. And that's it. With this quick adjustment, you will no longer receive those media processing notifications. This setting doesn't affect other important updates from the X app, so you'll still get alerts that matter, but the repetitive processing notifications will no longer clutter your screen. It's a small change, but one that can make your phone feel more organized and less overwhelming. So, if you've been frustrated by unnecessary alerts, now you know how to take control and customize what comes through. Try it out and enjoy a smoother, quieter experience with your phone. That's all for today's guide. Thanks for tuning in.